Hey y'all, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to show you a meal that you can cook when you're trying to get by to feed your family during these hard times. Right now, the meat is so high, chicken legs are one of the cheapest cut of meat you can get. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn these chicken legs into a delicious dinner that you can cook at home for your family. So come on, join us in the kitchen as we cook up these chicken legs to see how they turn out. This is what you're going to need for your drumsticks. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of softened real butter. And then over here I have my different herbs and spices we're going to be using. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a few red pepper flakes, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now let's coat our drumsticks. You want it to be soft even if you have to zap it in the microwave just for like 30 seconds. But this is room temperature, so we're going to go ahead now and add all this spices that I've got measured out into my butter. And now we're just going to give this a good mix. You want to get it at the point that it will spread with a little brush, because we're going to brush our drumsticks with this. Okay, I've got my drumsticks all washed and patted dry, so now we're going to lay them out and coat them with our mixture. Once you get them coated, turn them over and do the other side. Make sure you have them good and dry. And now we're going to let these set for 10 minutes. We're going to add about a half a cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to let that start heating up, and we want it real good and hot. Now we're going to start by adding our chicken legs. Oops, I dropped that one. Now we're going to fry them up on that side for around 4 to 5 minutes until we get a golden brown. Now let's flip them. See that pretty golden brown you're looking for? And see how all that butter is putting that pretty buttery golden brown crust on it. They're almost ready. Once I get them the golden brown I want, I'm going to place them in this bowl over here till I get my other stuff done. And we're going to pour just a little bit of this grease out. They do not have to be cooked all the way through because we're going to finish cooking them in just a minute. We just want to sear them real good right now and get a pretty golden brown. I poured some of my grease out, and I probably got about 2 tablespoons left in my skillet. Now to the skillet, I'm going to add some little cherry tomatoes, some sweet bell peppers, red and orange, some green onions and a little bit of white onions, and I also have some cilantro I have cut up over here. But first we're going to start by adding all this to the skillet and letting it start cooking down. And now you just want to let your vegetables get a little bit caramelized. Not much, because we're going to add the chicken back to this and cook it a little longer with the lid. So let that just sit there and simmer. And I'm going to mix me up about 1.5 cups of this chicken bouillon. Now I have my vegetables the way I want them. I'm going to go ahead now and place my drumsticks back in the skillet on top of the vegetables. And now we're going to add our chicken, the broth that I made with my chicken bouillon. And now we're going to cover it and let it simmer for 25 minutes. Once it cools down, I just took the lid off, but that will thicken up just a little bit too. And we're going to use it as our gravy. Now we're going to serve us up one and show you what it looks like. And I want to make sure to get some of the vegetables. Okay, for your mashed potatoes, I like the vegetables on mine, so I'm going to try that. Or you could just use the gravy mixture out of your chicken if you don't like the vegetables on top of your green potatoes. But let's try it. On Travis's potatoes, I will only put the sauce on his and the vegetables to the side. Okay, y'all, that's our video on chicken drumsticks. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.